Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by measuring, run Lighthouse or web page test and capture TTFB, FCP, LCP, CLS, and total transfer size. Once you have numbers, log a baseline and prioritize the top 3 slow assets that affect rendering. Make sure to inspect the critical render path and separate blocking CSS and JS. You want actionable metrics, not opinions, so record device and network conditions. After that, choose one low-effort, high-impact fix to implement first and retest immediately to confirm change. Once done with baseline, focus on delivery. Minify and compress CSS and JS, remove dead code with tree shaking, and use HTTP/2 or HTTP/3 to reduce handshake overhead. You should implement code splitting and lazy load non-critical modules so initial bytes are meaningful. Extract critical CSS inline for first paint, then defer the rest. Make sure to serve assets from a CDN with proper cache control and immutable versioning, and rerun performance tests to see how each change. To finish, optimize media. Deliver responsive images using src set, use modern formats like WebP or AVIF, and lazy load off-screen images. Then hook up real user monitoring to capture LCP and CLS in production and set alerts for regressions. If something breaks, binary search by rolling back individual changes and testing each step to isolate the culprit. You should also check server timings and third-party scripts last. Removing or deferring them often resolves stubborn regressions quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.